Guys, right now I will show you how to enable camera access on the Snapchat app. So if this topic is interesting, let's go to the body. So if you have some troubles when you want to create a new stories or snap on the Snapchat app, but you cannot do it because of the camera settings, I have a good solution for you. Let's go to the settings app. Let's swipe our list to find the Snapchat application here. Okay, it is. And right now we need to find the camera option and pick on the toggle opposite to activate it to make it green. And as you can check, right now we will allow our Snapchat app to have all access, to have all permissions to go to the camera and use this program. And also you can control another features like contacts, a microphone, etc. I will activate everything to don't have any troubles with the Snapchat using later. So guys, I hope that this tutorial was useful. Don't forget about comments, because I really hope that I can help you, and I will be very happy to see your comments below. And don't forget about likes. So good luck, bye bye.